Today is not merely launching of a kind of association or a body, but it's a beginning of a new era in Pakistan. I would say it's a movement to move Pakistan from dependency to independency, to make Pakistan a healthier and self-reliant country in healthcare sector. After successful 25 years of global marketing services, where we took privilege to introduce several edge-cutting technologies into Pakistan with real-time PCR, many innovations in diagnostics, in medical devices, in pharmaceuticals, especially in anti-cancer, in vaccines. I believe, and we believe as a team, this is time to do something bigger, to return to our homeland, our sweet country, Pakistan, in a bigger way. So here we begin and launching today an institute of Pakistan medical devices industry with a very clear vision to achieve made in Pakistan, Pakistan first, to bridge academia and industry, to motivate our youngsters, researchers, and scientists to innovate, to produce, and to export. Every nation learns in disasters. So when the disasters come, borders closed, and supply chain almost collapsed. So in that scenario, our nation learns how to equip and how to serve their people. We all witnessed the COVID time when every nation stopped their borders and there was nothing. Because even if you produce, they produce for their people because their peoples are first. So we must learn from that event and from that disaster. And during that time, we initiated lab diagnostic system as first IVD industry in Pakistan. I acknowledge leadership and management of Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan, their transformative role to develop the medical devices industry, especially during the recent months, you have witnessed digitalization of the total role and responsible and developing a different ecosystem overall in the healthcare, especially in the medical device industry, which is really a kind of sport to build a new chapter in Pakistan. Internationally, medical device industry is more than 800 billion US dollar. And in Pakistan, we import annually around 3 billion US dollar. And this is very unfortunate that we produce locally less than 5%. So this is the scenario. We have 34 million diabetic patients in Pakistan, and we import 50 million US dollar only the diabetic care like glucose strips to support them. We are in the high burden disease country of tuberculosis, and we import more than 40 to 50 million US dollar only the tuberculosis diagnosis kit in Pakistan. And this is everywhere in the total healthcare sectors, because we have different disease burden in Pakistan, and we are not producing and serving our people with our local solutions. So the challenge of affordability, the challenge of availability is always there. To transform and to make Pakistan a healthier nation is now our need, is not our choice, but I think health security is now imperative, is now a necessity. Our policymakers, our government bodies, our regulators have to think, have to come forward. I would like to congratulate DRAP as well, and of course government bodies like SIFC and the other authorities who have just launched in Pakistan first vaccine manufacturing policy in Pakistan. And that will definitely, I think, improve the situation to move from import to the local solutions. Similarly, I would request, and I think we need, Dr. Shahid Noor is taking a leading role in that, to develop a local Pakistan medical device industry policy that will definitely facilitate the total process. There are different stakeholders like DRAP, SIFC, DESTO, Saman-e-Shifa, who have the same vision. And this is a vision shared by every Pakistani who really feels as if, like me, I feel as one of passionate, proud Pakistani to make Pakistan not only a consumer, but innovator. Because we have all the ingredients which a country, which a nation need. We have universities here, but we have to give universities a message. We are not here to award the degrees, but to bring our youngsters to innovate, to research. So this is our mission and this is our vision. We are not only a consumer nation, we have to be a producer, a manufacturer, and definitely exporter. We have to serve not only our own 250 million population need, but we have to serve our regional countries' need and to move globally. And we have to think, of course, locally and act locally, but to produce a material, products with value addition. Today we are exporting 400 million surgical instruments to globally, and we have more and most skilled people in Pakistan. But if we just add value through the marketing and through the value addition, we can make this industry really more than $3 billion US. So this is the time, a turning point, a game changer. We need to work together, academia, researchers, regulators, and with the elevation of regulatory level in Pakistan, it will give trust to our investors. It will bring a kind of motivation to facilitate the process, and when investors will come and they will produce as per the quality standards, so it will not only be a solution to substitute import, but definitely these solutions will be acceptable globally and that will be recognized. So this is the time when we all work together, think together to make Pakistan not only as we have achieved a self-reliance in defense, and this is the month made, and last year we proved that we are a strong nation, and today I think the same month we are here to take an oath to pledge ourselves to make Pakistan a self-reliant in the healthcare ecosystem, and we will not only substitute import, but we will definitely innovate and export and make Pakistan a strong economic country in the global map. Thank you very much.